Yo, how is it going? Now, what I'm about to do is I'm about to show you guys how to do a couple things surrounding images. This is going to be like this next video tutorial. Everything you need to know about images. To make an image on your HTML, what you're going to want to use on any sort of site you do. You're going to need this IMG right here. But in order to do that, you're going to need a source. And then what you got to do, you have to find a image to connect. So if I go to pictures, you do all sorts of different things. I got a lot of different ones here, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this Nidoking. Why not? Copy its path, and then go back, boom, and paste it. That's your source right there. We go back to source, go back to everything else, right? And that's how we're going to do this. And then for alts, that's actually very important because one day someone may take the original source of the image down, and when you know how computers work, the original source from the computer was uploaded. Once they take that down, you're not going to be able to re-find it. So Nidoking is going to be the alternate. So it would just say Nidoking across the thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the HTML. And there we go. We got the Nidoking. And then it's really compact and really just over here. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to show you guys something really cool, is that I can put in margin and then make it 100 and 100 pixels. That's the unit of measurement that we are going to go by when we do this. So we're going to start debugging. It actually does not work here. Okay, so that's going to be for CSS. That was actually an honest mistake, but what we can do next is make height 500 pixels. And then the width is also going to be 500 pixels. And then you're going to get it right here. Now, it's a little bit not as clear, and you could go back to the image and find out what its pixel height and width is from normal. You can't really find it out right here. It's kind of hard to see on my PC, but there's an easy way to fix this when it's a little blurry like that. Let me just close this down one more time. What I can do is just do the height, do it by 1,000, right? And then it's gonna follow the width with it. So run, start debugging, boom. And it's still a little bit blurry, but as you can see, the width followed just so it fits it. It's gonna fit so it's a bigger picture so you know what you're dealing with. And yeah, so what I am going to do is, and actually this is really good for image design, graphic design. So if you have like something like Inkscape, you could also make your own logos and always add them up and everything like that. So width is going to equal 1,000. And then what you're going to do, you're going to have the same ordeal where it fixed the height with the width. And that's pretty much a lot that there is just with images. Next, we're going to go over some links, so stay tuned for the next one. This is one of the shorter episodes, and I just want to show you guys how images work. You want to have your source, and then you want to have your alternate just in case, but always have a source. It can either come from your computer or it can come from another computer. Typically, to make it run smoother, I download it from another computer onto my computer, and then I add it to source, just so that way I don't have to worry about it taking down and then the website that I'm creating saying Nidoking instead of actually showing an actual Nidoking. So thank you guys very much, and I'll see you next time.